I'm Hannah.
And I'm Jeremy, and we taught level 2 this week.
Classics?
That's right, it was classics.
Something like that.
What was this? This is a Frankie move. What was it called again?
The tuck and hook?
Yeah, tuck and hook.
Hey!
Let's do it quick. It looks like this. We're gonna do it facing you, and maybe we'll do it facing the other way in a second. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1 and 3. A 5, a 6, a 7, 8, 1, 2, 3. A shaky, shaky, shake, stomp off. 1, 2, 3. And that's really what we did. You want to do it the other way?
Sure.
Okay.
That
It's
would
like
be
this. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3,
Ba-da.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, a 3, a 5, a 6, a 7, 8, 1, 2, 3. Shaky, shaky, shake. And that's what we did. We'll see you next week. We'll see you next